Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkov's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolving the Ctfmon.exe error on Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing the Ctfmon.exe error on Windows 11, there are a few effective solutions you can try. First, we will run a system file checker scan. To do this, open the Windows search bar, type command prompt, and then select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan to check for and repair any corrupted system files. The next step is to perform a malware scan. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open the malware removal tool. Once MRT is open, click Next. Select the full scan option and click Next again. Allow the scan to complete. This will help identify and remove any malicious software that might be causing the issue. Finally, if the previous steps do not resolve the error, you can consider using a system restore. Search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery options. Click on Open System Restore. If you have multiple restore points available, choose a different restore point. Click Next. Then select a restore point that you know was stable. Click Next again, and then click Finish. Confirm by clicking Yes. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.